Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use mask in Canva. So I have this blank page here. Click on Elements and here you need to search for alphabet frames. So I will just type jump here. So I need to add JUMP frame here. Once you add the frames, now you need to add the image. So make sure to add 4 images for each alphabet. Drag it and drop it so it fits in the frame. Once you add all the images, now here double tap on the image and make sure that this image fits in the frame like this. So you need to repeat this process for all the 4 frames. Let me do it in fast forward. So this is the outcome. Now we need to lock these frames. So right click on it and then we have this lock option. Click on lock and now again click on lock. Do the same process for all the 4 frames. Now add the same image again and click on edit image. Now here you need to remove the background. Here we need to adjust the size of this image so it fits in the background image. Keep increasing the size so it fits with the frame image. Okay, so now it is adjusted. Now click on the image and here you need to crop this. So start cropping from the right side first. So we will crop the arms first and then crop from the left side. Once you crop it, now you need to crop from bottom. Okay, let me zoom out the page so I can crop from the bottom like this. Okay, so I will only uncrop the face here like this. Now we need to add legs. So for this, again we need to add the image. Go to edit image and remove the background. Now increase the size of the image here so it fits with the previous legs. Now here we need to crop from top. You need to match the legs with the frame legs like this. In this way you can use mask in Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.